Alright, so what time is it, everybody? It's 2:40 time. So today I'm going to be installing this weather strip seal that goes on the door. So this one is going on the right side. So it's going to go pretty much on this side over here. It's a little worn down. Okay. So I'm going to chain them. Okay. The weather strip seals have to wear it out over here. When it rains, it drips and it goes out. Something like that. Okay, I'll do that in a moment. Alright, so back again. So we gotta take this off right here. A little clip, pry it off. Then we're gonna take out all these clips on the side, go all the way at the bottom, and go all the way up. And goes here, all behind here, and then right here, this little thing that sticks in here, and you just pull it out. It comes out easily. So we take out the screws that hold the mirrors, and then that's pretty much it. And then you can just bring the door down a little bit, just like that. And then you see the inside. It should look something like that. And the new parts is over here. And when you install it, just go left and right. I should tell you. So if you're not sure, you look. And this thing right here, I just believe right here. I tell you right here, right and left. So don't get mixed up. It's not the same. The bows have to go left and right. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so we take out these screws right here. Oops. You just have to pry them out. And it comes out easily. And then you're gonna use some pliers. And then you're gonna like squeeze them out, pull them out, all the way at the bottom, and then you're gonna go all the way on top. It should look something like that. Something like that. And then you go down, you snake them down here. Now I forgot to mention about you gotta pull the window down a little bit because this here is blocking it. You know. And you take out the old one. And here's the old one. See the old one? It's all worn down. And the new one is right here. See the new one? Brand new one. And the part number is right here. Anybody interested in changing it? See that? I think it's 808. 3135 F01. That's how it works. So this is what it looks. And to install it now, it's the same way. You're just gonna put this on top here, and then you're gonna snake this too right down here. So you're gonna snake it in all the way down. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so we got the new weather strip seal here. So we're gonna slide it in here, make sure this little thing that goes in the hole, and then gonna snake through this thing all the way at the bottom, like that, and it goes underneath, and then you're gonna clip. You're gonna go all the way down here, and all the way up here, and then you clip it in. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do that right now. See it like this. Get a clip from here. The little hole. We should just snap in. So you got the idea. Go down. So I'm gonna set that up right now. Okay, so we got it installed. like I said, you're gonna snap this in. It goes all the way at the bottom, all the way down and up, and then you're gonna snap this in right there, and just gonna go right on top here. And then we're gonna install the side view mirror. So it goes like that. Slide this in. This goes at the bottom, just like that. And then you're gonna mount the screws in there. And don't forget to run this wire underneath, snake it through into the hole down here, connect the wire, and it'll be fine. Alright, so we put the side view mirror back in over here. And like I said, we snake through all the gasket down here, we clip them in. And we're gonna put the power, make sure the power window works. Let's check them out. Just like that. Should be nice, seal and tight. And we're gonna put the door back in. Okay, hold up. Make sure all the wire, nothing is pinched. So I'm gonna put the door, I'm gonna hook in like that. And then the thing is, and make sure that this is going in nicely. Simple as that. Then you click them in and connect everything. So we're gonna do that right. Oh, I forgot to mention, don't forget to put this back in. You're gonna make sure you put this in first. Gonna slide in like that. Oops. Just like that. That's what they clip. And the doors goes back over here, just like that, and you put the screws in, and it should be something like that. So all the old hardware are here. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Alright, so the finished product, we put back everything in, the screws, whatever they call the thing here for the power window. We put this plastic back in here, we put the handle. You put the screws over here, okay, and all down here, make sure they clip, and see what over here look like, and it should be good. See, looks brand new. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And make sure the door, when you close it, it should close nicely, like that. See, so it should be nice and sealed, so water doesn't drip down and come down here when it rains. So that's what the finished product look like. And I hope you like this video. I hope this video helps someone out there, because I know that all 240 has some sort of leaks in the rain, because it's pretty old and everything and whatever. Alright, thanks. Alright, so what I do is take out the screw over here, this one right here, and then I take out this one here, the handle, and then we take out this plastic over here, and then we take the screw out inside here, and then we pop it out, pry it out, and it should come out. We don't want to take out the whole hood, it's just for it to get this thing out here. This right here, trying to get it out, just like that. And then we're going to take these screws out and get unplugged. We're going to unplug the power meter switch. So I'm going to do that right now.